Okay. Oh man. So I saw the hood open. You only know if you in the light with this man or if he tells you. You said 2 Hellcat fuel pumps.
Yeah, only
I can imagine you just catching people
all the time.
No way. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Bills by the Bay. Yeah, we found a little bit of a unicorn. I can't say it's a unicorn, but we found something nice. You know, we always got to bring you those dailies. Sometimes we don't bring you a daily, but we gotta try to find you those dailies. And this is what we found. Kayshawn, talk to me. What's happening? I see you pulled out a little bit earlier. You had something a little bit of I heard something there. I was like, we gotta go over there and talk to him. What's happening? Talk to me about this build. What year is this bad boy?
It's a 2011 370Z. 2011 370Z.
Okay.
Stock motor, single turbo, hidden away.
You said stock hidden away turbo.
Hidden away turbo.
Oh man. So I saw the hood open. I didn't see anything. It looks factory to me.
It just like got 2 intakes.
Oh no way. Talk to me about this. What? So how were you able to get this car?
I actually bought it from an auction.
Okay.
It was hit, and I put it together. I took the time to like upgrade suspension while I was fixing the suspension pieces. So that was the first step. I did dual caliper setup on it for the hydro. I got a welded diff. It was meant originally to slide with, but did a few slides, but I got scared to take it to this track because it was, it's too clean. I didn't really want to break it.
Gotcha. Can you show us under the hood? Because I mean, I already saw it, but I'm trying to put it on the channel. Again, guys, you guys are gonna see what's over here. You guys are not gonna see anything. Again, you only know if you're in the light with this man or if he tells you. As you guys can see, there is nothing here. There's nothing here. It's just air intakes. Okay, Sean, talk to me. What the turbo is at, brother?
I got a comp oilless turbo, 64, 67.
You said oilless turbo?
Yeah, oilless. It uses grease.
Gotcha. Okay, that's pretty nice.
I upgraded the injectors. I did ID 1300s, and I got 2 Hellcat fuel pumps in it.
You said 2 Hellcat fuel pumps?
Yeah, I use one. I only run on one, but I just left it there just in case.
Okay, nice. And where's the turbo located?
Underneath the car. It's tough to see it, but it's really in the back underneath.
I mean, bro, you can't see anything. So I can imagine you just catching people
all the time.
No way. So they just pulling up and probably giving you like, yo, let's get it.
Yeah, of course.
Oh my Lord Jesus.
The car is honestly, it drives like a stock car until you put your feet on the pedal.
So somewhat like a supercharger.
Yeah.
Until you stepped on it. That's pretty cool. And you got any power figures to it?
Right now it's put it down about 550 to the wheels.
You said 550 to the wheels?
Yeah.
Okay, Sean, you're a little bit too comfortable. That's a lot of power, brother.
Yeah.
Oh man, that is crazy.
And the Z is crazy.
I can imagine. I mean, I'm not sure how much of this car weighs.
I want to say about 3,200.
3,200. And you said 550 to the wheels. That's a lot of power.
Yeah.
Holy Jesus.
And that's on 93.
And that's on 93. So it's not even E85.
Not yet.
Oh my Lord. Guys, you already know what you guys are looking at. And talk to me what you got for wheels and tires and brakes.
I might be gonna lie, I got the reps to the TE37s.
Okay.
I got what's that, DBA 2-piece rotors.
Okay, yeah, these rotors are pretty big. And I see you got the regular standard caliper, right?
Yeah, the standard calipers and upgraded brake pads.
Okay, that's what's up. That's nice. Yeah. That's nice. And I see the back. It's I see you got dual calipers. Talk to me about this bad boy.
Yeah, I have a hydro in the car, so that's the dual calipers. That's set up on it. Dual Akebono calipers.
Gotcha. Wow. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. And I got a question for you. Is she hooky?
No.
Oh my Lord.
Maybe in 4th gear if I'm lucky, but that's 3rd gear. Forget about it.
Oh man, so I can imagine you somewhat of a driver, because if she's not hooking at 550,
When you do suspension right, it's not gonna dance around. It's gonna go where you want it to go.
and what do you have for suspensions right now?
I have all the arms in the back is upgraded.
Okay,
In the front, I have a angle kit,
okay,
but not that much angle. But I have a front angle kit, and that's about it. BC coilovers.
okay.
The only thing I'm missing right now is the front upper camber arms. That's gonna come next.
Gotcha.
And then a corner balance.
Okay, nice. And what you got for exhaust under there?
Exhaust. I have the vibrant muffler, 4-inch muffler, inlet and out. The whole exhaust system was custom made. 4-inch from the turbo straight back.
4-inch from the turbo straight back.
Yeah.
Oh, so you are breathing.
Yeah.
Oh man, you are breathing. And guys, yeah, again, look at this purple. I mean, again, it's a daily. She's not gonna be fully clean because it's a daily. But this purple is doing this thing under this sun.
Definitely.
And you said she's not hooking, of course.
No, not.
But you got some pretty big tires. What's the number of them tires?
285s in the back.
Jesus, burst. And it's still, of course, you need a different setup
Yeah, I
of
need
tires.
a different compound tires. But I had 2 sets of tires in the house. I want to burn them out, and then after the season, when it get warm, I'm gonna decide which tires I want to go with.
Okay. Yeah, this is nice, man. This is a very nice build, man. And you said for the future, then are you planning to do like extra power? What do you have?
This week I'm actually gonna start tuning on E85.
Okay.
And see where it goes. I'm aiming for about 650 to 700 to the wheels.
And that's where you want to be comfortable at.
But I'm a hitter. Just go back to 93 and enjoy it. E85 is just for kill mode.
Wow. Yeah, this is something nice. This is something nice. Yeah, and again, we try to find those dailies, and we definitely find one. She is a daily, right?
Yeah, they got AC, heat,
and everything.
Everything.
And 550 to the wheels, guys. You already know. You mind giving us some sound check right there just for the viewers? And hold on, because I forgot to ask you, what do you have for interior? I see Little Minutes in there.
Oh yeah, I got stock interior.
Yeah.
The hydro. I got an upgraded shifter from Coolworks.
Okay,
I
wow.
got my tablet screen that shows me all my gauges.
You got a whole tablet. Jesus, this might be a Tesla. I don't know what I'm looking at right now. Okay, yeah, this is pretty cool. This is a pretty cool little setup. I see Little Man right there chilling. Okay, I see. Yeah, guys, this is a very nice build. Very nice build. Yep. As you guys know, Kayshawn is doing this thing. Kayshawn, we appreciate your time again, my brother, and thank you for being in the blog, brother. Yes, sir. You got a beautiful build. I know there's gonna be some 350C owners, 370C owners, just C owners in general. They're gonna appreciate it because everybody wish they had that power and just they could go to work and do whatever it is that they got to do.
Of course.
Yeah, so I appreciate you for being in the channel. Thank you again.